Hi, this is Kate from Minute Earth. I know from personal experience that it can take a ton of time, energy, and resources to gather even a teensy bit of information about wild animals. But recently, technology has given wildlife biologists new ways to study critters, like using undersea microphones to monitor humpback whales and satellites to study elephants. And these methods can generate mountains of information really rapidly. Take the Snapshot Serengeti project, where more than 200 automatic cameras across the savannah have amassed millions of photos of animals. Predator and prey, day and night, near and far, head-on, and whatever that is. That kind of bonanza is bananas. But wildlife biologists have had trouble figuring out how to actually deal with all that information. I mean, when the Snapshot Serengeti scientists go to actually use these images, they can't just plug them into a spreadsheet. They need to know who's doing what with who in each photo. In other words, they need data. And turning all those photos into data has already taken more than 30,000 hours. That's like working 8 hours a day for 14 years. If only there was some sort of automatic system that could do the job. One that can learn that not only is this a zebra, but so is this. And this, well, used to be one. Some sort of artificial intelligence. The scientists built a computer program that essentially uses trial and error to learn to identify dozens of species, count animals, and categorize behaviors. The AI turned out to be able to do this stuff about as accurately as humans. And the photos that took 14 years of human labor to classify took the program just a single day. Plus, the more opportunities these kinds of algorithms have to practice, the better they get. So the mountains of information that were such a burden to researchers are actually awesome for artificial intelligence. And you know another place we can go to find mountains and mountains of information? The internet. One AI-based program spends each night combing through the 80 years of YouTube videos uploaded that day, looking for videos of whale sharks, like that awesome one someone saw on their vacation. The bot IDs each individual based on its unique constellation of spots and records info about the sighting, all while the researchers are catching some Z's. That's a whale of a change from what it has normally taken to study animals in the wild. And AI just might free up researchers' time and resources to connect the dots and draw new conclusions about their subjects. A task where artificial intelligence still can't beat the good old-fashioned humankind. This video was sponsored by the University of Minnesota, where students, faculty, and staff across all fields of study are working to solve the grand challenges facing society. One of these challenges is assuring clean water and sustainable ecosystems, which includes making sure that we understand ecosystems well enough to help them thrive into the future. Dr. Craig Packer, the director of the university's Lion Center, helped establish the Snapshot Serengeti project to collect information about how animals interact with each other and with the environment so that we can better conserve species and manage ecosystems around the world. Thanks, University of Minnesota.